Hello everybody, what's going on? Few big insights are coming from news and we are talking about an image that sent the EV world into a frenzy. A picture of News China headquarters brightly lit deep into the night on the eve of October delivery announcement. The team is buzzing with their VP called the Fighting Spirit. Now this isn't just about a late night. This is about expectations. And for a company like NIO, high expectations are double-edged sword. Is this a celebration of a new regulatory win, or are we starting down the barrel of delivery numbers that is simply going to blow the roof off? Let's break down the two possibilities fueling this late night excitement. First, let's start with the big one, the October delivery numbers. The graphic in social media post shows a massive projected number of 45,269 units for October. Now let's put that into context. NIO just reported a record 34,749 deliveries in September. That September number was a huge success, an over 64% increase year over year, largely driven by the Onvo L90 and the full portfolio finally hitting its stride. To jump from roughly 35,000 to over 45,000 in a single month is a moonshot, a 30% sequential leap. You typically don't see that kind of growth unless something fundamentally has changed in the production or logistics pipeline. But look, we have seen reports of the company weekly deliveries surpassing the 10,000 unit mark repeatedly in October. They have also talked about their capacity ramp up with the new ES8 and L90 pushing volumes. If they hit anywhere near that 45,000 mark, it would be an absolute mic drop moment. It proves their multi-brand strategy is working, that their factory capacity issues are being managed, and that the demand for their entire ecosystem, Neo, Onvo, and Firefly, is utterly massive. That's why the lights were on. They were finalizing the numbers on a momental month that validates the bulls and silence the bears. Second possibility, and this one is just as important for the long term, is an anticipated VPP government approval. Now, NIO is not just an EV company, it's an energy company built around its battery swapping technology. Think about it, every NIO battery, whether it's powering a car or sitting at a power station, is a distributed energy asset. PPP allows a network of these batteries to act as unified massive power sources feeding electricity back into the grid during peak demand. This helps manage the grid, reduce stress, and crucially for NEO generates an entirely new stream of revenue from energy services. Company has just secured a major government approval in China for their VPP operations, perhaps making them a favored provider for a regional grid. That's a paradigm shift. It transformed their business model from just selling cars to becoming a critically infrastructure provider. This kind of regulatory green light is the kind of event that require all hands on the deck. The image of that brightly lit building isn't a sign of panic. It's a testament to the passion and fighting spirit of a company on the cusp of major breakthrough. In a competitive Chinese EV market, you need scale and a unique angle. NIO is showing us with this late night hustle that they are executing on both. This isn't just about selling a great car. It's about building an entire energy ecosystem. That is why the stock has been showing strength, and that's why this moment captured in a single picture is so significant. Very soon company is going to announce their October delivery numbers. I believe definitely that is going to be above 40,000 or could reach around 45,000, and because of that we will see some good spike in its stock price as well. So get ready for an exciting week. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one.